how to reactivate your X account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reactivate your X account step by step. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the X app on your phone, formerly known as Twitter. And now here, once you are inside the app, simply tap on the option labeled as Create with Google. Here you'll be prompted to the login screen where you have to enter your username, email, or phone number along with your password. And now here, once you have selected your account, simply log in with your account. And if your account is deactivated, Twitter or X will show you a reactivate option. So just confirm by tapping yes, reactivate, and remember, you can only reactivate your account within 30 days of deactivation. And after 30 days, your account will be permanently deleted and can't be recovered. And that's it. That's how you can reactivate your X account quickly and easily. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.